In today's video I'm going to show you how to treble crochet in the back loop. So what's happened here is that when you look at your regular stitch work, these are considered stitches, and when you use both of them, that is one stitch. But if you decide to segregate the one, so the one that's closest to you, that's the front loop, and if you want this the back one, it's away from you, that's the back loop. And so the pattern may define this. So it may say TRBLO, so below, so treble below. It could also be treble BL as in back loop. It depends on the where you're seeing the designs. So we're usually, when we go to start with treble, we chain up 4, so we don't usually back loop the first one, but we start it immediately on the next one. So we wrap twice, and digging down we only capture the one in behind. Okay, so the back loop only, and then just finish the treble as normal. So we wrap and go. And this provides a little ridging effect on the project, gives it a bit of texture. It's used quite often in projects, and you can see now you have this defined look. So this is how you do treble crochet in the back loop.